Hi Bafethu, I'm back again Bafethu. MK Party salutes Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi and demands arrest of Senzo Mchunu after Mkhwanazi spilled all the beans. The story is written by Jorisai Mahomo. The Umkhonto Wesizwe Party, MK Party, has saluted KwaZulu-Natal Provincial Police Minister Lieutenant General Mkhwanazi for his unwavering dedication to justice and transparency. After he made damning allegations against Police Minister Senzo Mchunu, Deputy National Police Commissioner Lieutenant General Shedrack Sibiya, party spokesperson Tlamulo Ndlela said Mkhwanazi's remarks underscore a relentless commitment to safeguard the people, and I uphold the sanctity of the law. Sanctity of the law. Hey, it's English, but it's not English. Ensuring that no stone is left unturned and in fight against political crimes and violence. So MK is praising this guy, and MK should be running KZN. I know MK, but with their tricks and their shenanigans, they delayed processes to negotiate. They should be running that province. General Mkhwanazi has demonstrated profound courage and integrity, especially in the face of adversity. His leadership, which initially focused on addressing political killings and has now expanded to include the investigation of high-profile murders, is both commendable and necessary for restoring public faith in our justice system, said Ndlela in a statement. In the interest of the safest and sanctity of our nation, the MK Party calls up General Mkhwanazi to lay criminal charges against Minister Mchunu and General Sibiya for defeating the ends of justice within the next 24 hours. Yeah, if I heard very well, the General said there are investigation going on, but I don't know, I'm not sure if he directed they are going for Senzo Mchunu and Sibiya, I'm not sure. Subsequent to this, the MK Party also demands the immediate arrest of Police Minister Senzo Mchunu based on prima facie evidence of criminal conduct as presented by General Mkhwanazi. This is not a political appeal to the president. It is a direct demand to law enforcement, he said. Yeah, very now they should arrest this guy. Hey, I'm disappointed. This guy. The MK Party called on the National Police Commissioner General Fani Masemola, together with Mkhwanazi, to act without delay. The evidence implicated Minister Mchunu is a serious call. Is a serious and calls for the law take its course. No one is above the law, and any further inaction will only confirm suspicions of institutional protection and political interference. And Ndlela said, and the more they delay, the more this thing will. The public would forget, another scandal will come through, and the process. So they need to act now before we forget and move on to other issues, because there were too many problems in this country. There's a high unemployment, there's poverty, and then there's this crime, and then it's been conducted by people who's supposed to safeguard us. Like guys, maybe we should bring back white people into power. Maybe we should vote for Freedom Front Plus. I don't know. Given the weight of the allegation, the arrest must be carried out without any further delay. The integrity of our democratic institution and safety of our citizens should always be paramount. Any effort that hint at sabotaging justice and truth, regardless of the source, must be eradicated. The MK Party will continue to stand by those who work tirelessly to protect our democracy and ensure justice for all. The time for action is now. On the other hand, the economic freedom fighters led by Julius Malema has also come out in support of Mkhwanazi after he made the damning allegation against Mchunu and Sibiya. IOL reported on Sunday that Mkhwanazi questioned Mchunu's decision to disband the political killing task team without informing the National Police Commissioner Fani Masemola and himself as the Provincial Police Commissioner in KwaZulu-Natal. Mchunu he fouled. Everybody knows in the country that in case there's a problem of political killings, especially when we're approaching the elections. There's a problem, and when you go as a minister and disband, and you from that province, I don't disappoint me, man. The task team established in 2018 was a multidisciplinary unit focused on political motivated killings and related crimes in KwaZulu-Natal. Mkhwanazi accused Sibiya of being a criminal and improper conduct for summarily closing the political task team allegedly at Mchunu's behest. Mkhwanazi said the unit was disbanded just as it was circling on a criminal syndicate which include top police prosecutors and members of parliament. The documents under investigation were said to be archived by Serbia in Pretoria. Probably he has banned the document by now. Probably. Yeah. Kuningest. What you go. Why you guys? Please subscribe, Buffett. I don't know what to say. These allegations, they are too Sanjay Baba. They are too. People who are supposed to protect us. Yeah, we talk about these issues, but we don't realize that how true they are. We always talk that police are corrupt. These people are corrupt. What? They don't care about us. But when you provide with the evidence from someone who's a top cop, who's there with them, then you become worried, Baba. You become worried. You just realize that we're in deep-ish. Anyway, Buffett, to subscribe, like, press the notification bell. Buffett, this is a new channel, Azanian Politics. See you on the next video, Buffett.